guys, this is Casey. Nice to see you again. Do you know how to identify the quality of a tact switch? The internal structure of the tact switch directly affects the quality. Reasonable mental structure, circuit arrangement, and contact welding are the guarantee of the high efficiency of it. The internal structure of the tact switch will be analyzed from two aspects: welding installation and plastic appearance. First, use tweezers to pry open the plastic plate and open the panel of the tact switch. You can see the inner structure of it. Number 2. Check the conductive sheet material. It usually adopts pure silver copper composite material. This material can prevent the opening and closing of conductive sheet caused by